The solar eclipse coming up on April 20th appears at 29 degrees of Aries. So it's in the last degree of the first sign. The beginning of the end, or is it the end of the beginning? I guess we'll find out. Each season of eclipses is going to set up a new 6-month story in your life. The event chart for this eclipse shows the sun and the moon in the final degree of Aries, square to Pluto in the first degree of Aquarius. This is a square by aspect, close square by aspect, but not by sign. So it's an unusual square. The 90-degree separation between the eclipse degree and Pluto is usually a sign of tension and struggle. But these two share more common ground by sign because Aquarius and Aries are air and fire. They can figure each other out. Here are some ideas that this brings up for me. Completion of an old cycle, potentially while you're setting up for a new one. You're completing the old while you're setting up for the new. Clearing and processing of old anger, resentment. A decisive end of a battle or a war. I'm hopeful that this could bring about an end to the aggression in Ukraine and other places too. Anywhere affected by war is not a good thing for people. Forgiveness, like calling an end to the anger and resentment, forgiveness. Making a power move, channeling competitive drives into new outlets. A deep clean and refresh of the home, the office. The solar eclipse is basically a supercharged new moon. It's a new moon that's near to the lunar nodes, right? And just like any other new moon, it's followed by the waxing lunar phase. And the waxing lunar phase is a 2-week period that favors gathering your strength and your resources, preparing, planning, and fixing, building structures and support, resting and recovery. So these are really good times to kind of get ready for something that's going to usually develop to some point of maturity during the full moon, which is coming up in early May.